Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So guys, we are at day number 15 of One Funnel Away Challenge. And if you have not watched earlier videos in this series, please go and watch them because they are super important. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to it and press the bell icon to receive all the upcoming updates about the videos. So without further delay, let's move into the slides. So from today onwards, week 3 is starting, and you are special because you are still with me and following One Funnel Away challenge. Because most of the people they leave in week 1 or week 2, but you are focused, you are determined, you want to get some result. That is why you are following this One Funnel Away challenge till now. So let me recap whatever we have learned in week 1 and week 2. In week 1, we have learned about foundation of One Funnel Away challenge. We have discussed about three important questions: who is your customer, what they want, and how you are going to deliver that. And we have also discussed about delivery methods that will be do it yourself, done with you, and done for you version. Then we have received a training from Rachel Miller about Facebook pages, how we can use Facebook pages in your business, how you can craft the content, how you can nurture your audience. In week 2, we have learned about flagship framework, members area, order form bump, and OTO or one time offer one. So now in day number 15, we will learn about the script which you need to use while creating a sales video for one time offer one or OTO one. So as we have already discussed in earlier videos, this will be the logical sequences of events in funnel design. First, you will have one flagship framework. Along with that, you will have one order form bump, then OTO1, OTO2, thank you page, and members area. So till now we have discussed about flagship framework, order form bump, members area, and OTO1. So today we will learn about script for video on OTO1 page. So you should have a video of 3 to 5 minutes long, and along with that you will have some information about your offers or the bonuses which you are going to provide in OTO1. Please remember that this is the upsell page and you are selling a product of higher value than your flagship framework. So suppose if your flagship framework is worth $7, then this OTO1 should be around $49 or $249. Okay, so it does not mean that your video should be of longer or larger size. You should remember that your customer has already crossed one stage. He has already made a decision or the hardest decision of entering the credit card, and he has passed that stage. Now it is easy for you to sell this product to him. The only thing is you need to craft your video in such a way that he will not be able to say no, and he will buy from you. So your offer should be irresistible. So this is the perfect sequence for one time offer one. So this is the script which you need to follow. First, you need to confirm the initial decision. How you can confirm? You can say like, congratulations for buying that, this and that. Congratulations for buying our flagship framework. You are smart, you are intelligent that you have made this decision. So by this way, customer will be happy about himself about making his decision. Now you need to ask the second question. Do you want this in detail? So now if they want in detail, this will be an exclusive offer for you, where if you buy this one you can get the result faster. And out of all the frameworks which you are selling in OTO1, you can discuss about one special thing or one framework which is very important. After that, make you need to make them realize or visualize about the future with the result they will get from this product. Then you can have a CTA button or call to action button, and you should have a guarantee about the product so that they will feel their decision as risk free, because if they don't like the product they can return it within 30 days. After that, you should support your product with a lot of value stacking. You can provide a lot of bonuses, and then you can provide in scarcity. like this offer will be only for today or tomorrow. If you buy this offer outside or from the website, you will get it in $1,000. But if you buy this today, you will get into $49. And then you will have a second CTA. Okay, after that, you will have a testimonials about all the people who have already used this product and got the result. So this should be the script for your sales letter, or you can say sales video for OTO 1. So for today, you need to create a video by using this script about this OTO 1. And this is all about day number 15. In assignment also, you need to provide these things. You need to write the script, you need to record the video or write out as long form sales copy. You need to update the OTO page. Again, you will have one very important video from Jim Edwards, and you will have video from Russell Brunson doing all those things, whatever is there in the assignment. So guys, this is all about day number 15. And this is whatever I have discussed today. It is just a short form of what you will learn from One Funnel Away challenge. So if you are a business owner, or if you are planning for any online business, or even if you are an affiliate marketer, this product will be a life-changing event for you, because this will shift your mindset about the business. There are thousands of members in this ClickFunnels community who has already reaped the benefit of One Funnel Away challenge. So if you want to buy the One Funnel Away challenge, please go and buy from my affiliate link. It is in the description, and you will get exciting bonuses. Most important, you will get a lifetime support from me. So please go and sign up using my link, and I'll see you in day number 16. Thank you so much. Take care.